This is tactical binoculars produced by Yuanda. Very heavy one, close to 1 kg. But listen this. Very nice rubber, very nice magnesium hosting, FMC coating, BAK4. So when we look through from the objective lens, you can see the details is excellent, well made, shock-proof and waterproof, IP67. So this one is 10x42. Field of view is 5.6 degrees or 98 meters. When you wear glove, it's very difficult to adjust the diameter adjustment, but this one you can see is very wide. It's very good for hunting, so you can adjust it, and it's actually very tough, very tough. So this is the eye cups. You also can use it for outdoor trip, but the weight is heavier, really. But for a driving tour, it's good choice, as well as for hunting.